Hey friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Steam error code 0x11C7 on PC. We begin. Before we begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Now, follow the all steps one by one to fix this problem. Let's go with that first step. Task Manager means by if this Steam background running or check it. So for this, go to the Windows search bar and type Task Manager and click on it. Then you can see the process. Then scroll down, find Steam. Right click on the Steam and click on the End Task. Here, End Task, click to disable it. Then come to back. Once it completed, then come to back. Then go to the Start menu and click on the power button and choose the Restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then relaunch the game and the application. Then check it. See if this problem resolved. If this try to still not working, then go to the next step. Disable the replication apps in Windows security. So for this, go to your Windows search bar and type Windows security, and you click on it and open. Then go to that apps and browse controller and click on the replication based protection settings. Now scroll down. You will see the potential unwanted apps blocking. If this, turn it on. Simply turn it off. Then come to back. This feature is can block the Steam process and case the error code 0x11C7. After disabling it, restart your system. Then your problem definitely fix it. If this try to still sometimes this method is not working, then go to the next step. Windows Update, check it. Just try it. So for that, go to the Windows settings and click on it. Then open. Then go to that Windows Update. If you have available Windows Update, just download button, click here to update the latest version. After that, relaunch the game or application, then your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment, I give the answer. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.